Hello, friends and family. Welcome to another video. My name is Ashish, and I'll be talking about something very important today. Something which you might be looking forward today, especially today, because market has crashed today. Market is down. Market Sensex is down by more than 2,000 points. Nifty is down by more than 500 points, and same time, Bank Nifty is down by more than 1,700, 1,800 points. Is this the right time to invest? Is the market has bottom out? What stock should I buy it? Whether whether this decline will continue further or not. So I'll be talking about everything in this video. It is going to be a very interesting video because a lot of people has missed the opportunity to invest when there was a coronavirus. When it started in the month of March and April, the market started following down, but people didn't invest at that time. So a lot of people has missed the opportunity and they are waiting. They are waiting to correct the market, and now market has corrected it, but they are still waiting whether the market will correct it further or if this is the right time to invest. So I'll be talking about everything in this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, so that when I'll upload a next video, you'll get an intimation. And this is the way you can support me. This is the way you can connect with me further. Okay, so please do so. And now I'll be talking about everything in detail. So if you can see this is the market which is in front of you. All the global markets, US market, Europe market, Asian markets today was down. Today down, they were almost by more than 2%, 3%, 4%, and the market across the world are down. So people are looking forward. What is the exact reason why the market is down, right? Do you want to know the reason or do you want to invest? First, get this confirmation. A lot of people are looking for reasons why the market is down. I don't know why the market is down. A lot of people are saying market is down because the US market, there are yields, there are something. Guys, believe me, these things will not help you to take a decision. The only thing which can help you to take a decision is what is the next step, whether the market will go further or whether the market will go further down. That is the only thing which you can, if you get that analysis, if you get that insights, that is the thing which will help you to make a decision whether I should invest it or not. These news, see, when coronavirus started, COVID-19 started in the month of March and April, no one was expecting that the market will go on the high side. Market is trading at the all-time high. Market was down not even for 2 months. Not even for 2 months. Within 2 months, market was down, and after that, it went up. Crazy market, right? So these news will not help you. The only thing which will help you is if you have the right system, if you have the right insights, if you have the right person who can tell you where the market is going further. That will make you understand, and that will make you getting a decision whether I should invest into this market or not, right? So if you see, this is the market which is in down today across the world. But before that, I'll tell you something which happened 2 days back, because that is also a very interesting point, and then I'll tell you further what I'm expecting from the market in the next few months and few days. Okay. So 2 days back on Wednesday, market almost at somewhere around 11:30 stopped because of some technical glitch at NSE. So because of the NSE, the trade position has to square off. So till 3 o'clock, there was no message from the NSE side whether the market will open or whether the market will not open. There was no clear indication. So what broker decided at that point of time, especially with the big brokers, like for example, if I'll take an example of one of the big brokers like Zerodha, because they have to close the position, right? They have to close the position. They can't carry forward, because if they carry forward the position, they, a lot of people have to pay a lot of penalties, there are a lot of other criterias also. So they can't carry forward the position without the consent from the client side. They have to close the position because it is an intraday position, but the market has not opened. So how they can close it? अगर market ही नहीं खुली तो अपनी positions को खत्म कैसे करेंगे? So what broker decided at that point is NSE was not working, but BSC was same time was working. BSC was still open. So what they decided was, whatever position, you're getting my point, whatever position has somebody taken, for example, in case of TCS, HCL, ICICI Bank, SBI, any position in any of the stocks you have taken in NSE, they will close the same position in BSC, because in BSC the trading is going. There was no problem. There is no technical problem in BSC, right? But NSE systems are not working. So a broker decided that they will clear the positions in BSC. They have to clear it. They can't carry forward it, right? So at somewhere around 310, they decided that now it is time to close the position. We can't carry forward. So somewhere around 310, they close that position in BSE. But because of that, what is the biggest problem a lot of client has to face? I'll show you. So the biggest problem which client has to face is because in BSE, there was hardly any volume. There was no volume in BSE. Normally in the volume, people don't trade in BSE normally. So if you'll see, this is the chart which is in front of you, and see, this was the day. This was the day. If you can see the prices. If you can see the prices went up, prices went down, and this is exactly at somewhere around 3. See, my mouse pointer is here and you can see the time here. See, it is somewhere exactly at 320, 310, 315 when they're planning to close the position. So as soon as the broker decided to close the position in BSE, the prices went up, prices went down. Why? Because in NSE there is a volume, but in BSE there is no volume. So if, for example, there are 500 crores which the positions need to clear off with the NSE, with the BSE, sorry, but in BSE there is hardly any volume. People are like, if I'll say one of these stock, for example, I'm saying TCS. Person is saying, I'll not buy it below above 2,000 rupees. I'll buy it only at 2,000 rupees. But in NSE, the position has to close. So people who took the position in NSE has to close at 2,000 rupees because there was no buyer above 2,000 rupees. You're getting my point. It is just an example I'm giving you, but that has happened in most of these stocks, and a lot of people has faced this problem. A lot of people has made a lot of losses because of this technical issue. And same time, as soon as the position started closing down at 317, NSE came back. NSE came back and they said that we will be opening an exchange now. Position, 90% of the position is already be closed now. If they could have told this thing to the brokers earlier, before 3 o'clock, lot of money of the clients has been saved, right? But they came somewhere around at 317 and they told this thing to the brokers that we will be opening NSE market at somewhere around 345 until 5 o'clock we'll be opening it. Till 5 o'clock we'll be opening. So somewhere around 1.5 hours the market will open, but that will open somewhere around 345. But a lot of positions is already squared off at before that, right? Because broker don't know that the market will open or not, because there was no communication from the NSE side at that point of time. So they have closed it. So because of this, a lot of people has faced the problem. A lot of people have lost some money also, but this is how it is, right? But if, and after 317, after 345, when the market opened, see, market rallied. Why the market rally? Because there was a message which says that public sector companies can invest into the private sector companies also. Public sector companies can have an account with the private sector banks now. So because of this message, prices started moving up and the market rallied. So this was the problem which happened 2 days back. Okay. After that, if you'll see, and the market started going up the next day also, but it was going down, a little bit down in an intraday. But today, if I'll show you a today chart, if you'll see this prices, market opened, gap down. And after that, again, the market almost, Sensex is down by 2,000 points. Nifty is down by more than 500 points today, and the Bank Nifty is down by 1,700, more than 1,800, 1,900 points. And as when the market was trading at exactly at somewhere on these levels, 9:30, I shared the message with my family, with my students, that please don't take any kind of buy positions. Market is looking weak and it can go down further. This is the exact message which I've shared with my students exactly at 9:30 in the morning today. That please don't take any kind of long positions. I'm still looking that the market is looking weak and it can go further down. And same happened in the market also. Okay. I recorded one of the videos 2 days back. If you have not watched that video, go and watch it, because that is a very important video. You can get that video in my YouTube channel only. So go and watch that video, because in that video, I mentioned everything. That is the video, how to prepare for the market crash. Okay. The title of that video is how to prepare for the market crash. Just 3-4 days back, I posted that video. And in that video, I have mentioned the same thing. I mentioned that I'm expecting market to go further down. Right? And this is what is happening right now. Okay. So that is one thing. But second thing is this the right time? Is this the right time to invest? That is what the question is. That is what the point is. And same thing, guys, believe me, I've told this thing in my video and I'm telling it again and again and again. Don't miss the opportunity. Don't miss the opportunity. A lot of people have missed the opportunity in the month of 6 months back when the coronavirus COVID-19 started, and after that market went up. See, these reasons can come anytime. If I'll show you, see, this is Nifty chart. If I'll show you, this is the daily chart of Nifty, right? This is the daily chart of Nifty. This is the today's intraday candle. See, the prices was down, right? And there was some news. A lot of people are saying, oh my God, we don't know. The US market is down. The Euro market is down. That's the reason we are down. And we don't know how the market will go. Market can crash. See, understand one thing. If I would have shown you this picture, this candle is also exactly the same, right? This candle is also more than 500 points of decline. If you have not invested here, then after that, see the prices, see these decline. If you have not invested here, see these news are just for the short period of time. After that, what market has to do, they will do it. Market never works in a straight line. That is what people think, that I bought a stock at 200 rupees and the market will go at 300 rupees in the next 6 months. No, the market don't work in a straight line. Market goes up, market comes down. Market goes up, market goes down. Market goes up. This is how the market works. And that's exactly what it is working right now, which is in front of you right now. Okay, so market, see, I missed to share my screen. This candle which I was talking about, see this candle is a big decline in an intraday. This is a 1-day candle. If you have not invested your money, and there might be some news, yahan pe jab market giri thi, kuch to news hogi, tabhi giri thi, right? And see after that, same thing here, see after that, and same it is happening here also. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. That is what I'm saying from the last few days and the last few months. This is the time to invest your money. Don't look that market is going down because of these news are only for the part time. Don't follow these newses, right? Market is looking good to me as of now. And in my last video also, I've shared the exact levels where I'm expecting. I'm still expecting that market can go further down. I'm not saying कि कल से ही market ऊपर जाना start हो जाएगी. I'm expecting another 200 to 300 points down in the market. And maybe I can go wrong. I'm telling you right now. I'm expecting market to go. Market could take a support somewhere around 14,250 to 300. Okay, I'm talking about a Nifty levels, 14,250 to 300 levels. This is where I'm expecting that market can turn. And as of now, market is trading at 14,529. So another 200, 300 points of fall I'm expecting from the market. That is one thing. Second thing, please don't take any kind of short positions in this market. I'm expecting market to go down, but still I'm suggesting not to take short positions. Why? See, I'll give you one tip today. And this tip will help you to take decisions in your trading career. Apply this tip in all your trading. Whenever you take any kind of trading decisions, apply this tip. What is this tip is? There are two types of trend. One is a main trend and second is a minor trend. You can say father and son. Okay, listen to this very carefully. There are two types of trend. One is a main trend, second is a minor trend. This is a father, this is a son. Whenever you're taking any kind of trade, always take the trades in the favor of bigger trend. You're getting my point? For example, the bigger trend is still on the upside, but the minor trend is on the downside. Minor trend is downside. I'll not take any kind of trades. You get my point? Always take the trades in the favor of main trend. And as of now, the main trend is still on the upside. I'll repeat one more time. There are two types of trend. One is a main trend. Second is a minor trend. Main trend is a father. Second, minor trend, you can say, is a son. So always take the trades on the basis of the main trend, on the basis of the father side, right? So if the father is saying, I'm still on the upside, but the sun is on the downside, I'll not suggest you to take any kind of trades. But when the sun will also move on the upside, when the minor trend will also move on the upside, because the main trend is still on the upside, I'll suggest you to take long positions. So this is the time to take long positions, not in trading, but in investing. Not in trading, I'm saying, because I'm expecting market to go another 200 to 300 points down. So I'll suggest you not to take any kind of short positions, but if you're planning to take any kind of long positions, long in the sense investments, not trading, I'm suggesting as of now. If you have thought like this is the stock I need to buy, that is the stock I need to buy, please buy it right now, because for the next 2 to 3 months, I'm not expecting market to go any further down. And why I'm not expecting, I've shared top 5 reasons in my last video. So go and watch that video. That is a very important video. 5 reasons I have shown in that video why I'm not expecting, why big players are still buying it, guys. Big players are still buying it, right? So all those reasons I've shared in my video, go and watch that video. And market, see, whenever there is a bull market, we can say this is a bull market. This is a bull market because from the last 1 year, almost from the last 1 year, market is going on the upside. Almost hardly we have seen any time so the market is going down. Hardly 1 or 2 days, 3 days maximum. Otherwise, most of the time the market is on the upside. So this is something exactly like a bull market. And in the bull market, you go back and do this back testing. Whenever the bull market is going on, whenever the crash comes, whenever the market goes down, it goes down fast and it recovers fast. It goes down fast and it recovers fast. If I'll show you a latest example, see, this is the latest example as of now. Market was down. Market went down big. It is not a small decline. Almost this candle is somewhere around 500 to 600 points decline in 1 day. And after that, the next day market recovered. See this decline? This decline happened for 3 to 4 days. It is a big decline, but after that, the market recovered. Same is happening right now also, right? It is a big decline. This is how the bull market works. Market in the bull market goes down big and it recovers fast. So, and there are further reasons which I've shared it in my other video also. So go and do that. And this is the right time to invest it. I'm expecting market to go somewhere around to 14,300 levels. And this is there. I'll add more stocks. And I'll tell you guys, the only thing which can help you to make money is not these prices. Because you're not buying Nifty, you're not buying Sensex, you're buying stocks. So look for an individual stocks. In my portfolio, the market is down by somewhere on more than 4% down. 4% today. Most of the markets are down by more than 4%. My portfolio is down by less than 1%. My portfolio is less than down compared to previous day. I'm saying compared to yesterday, my portfolio is down only by less than 1%. Why? Because we are holding good stocks. We are holding good stocks. My stock is, there is hardly any stock which is down by 3 to 4%. Otherwise, most of the stocks are still in positive or they are trading minor on a negative side. There is no big decline in any of my stocks as of now. There is hardly 1 or 2 stocks which decline by 2 to 3%. So end of the day, what matters is the stocks. If you have the right portfolio, if you have the right stocks with you, if you have the right person who can help you to make money, that is the only thing. Okay, so to go and do an investment. And before leaving this, please subscribe to the channel, click on the like button. That is the way you can support me. And that is the way you can connect with me further. I hope this video will help you. And before leaving, I'll suggest you to please watch the previous video also, because that is going to help you a lot. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. And we'll meet in another video. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.